Hi, y'all. In this video, I'm just going to cover converting exponents when you change units. So number 5 on page 6, we have Shayna is trying to increase the number of calories she burns by 5% per day. By what percent is she trying to increase per week? And I want to take something that Mrs. Sunderland talked about on the previous video too. If you're going from years to months, you're going from a big time frame to a smaller, so you're going to divide. If you're going from days to hours, big to small, divide. Here we're going from days to weeks, so we're going from smaller to bigger. We're going to multiply. So that's a way where you can kind of tell, am I dividing the exponent? Am I multiplying the exponent? So let me clear this out for a minute. Okay, so we have 5% per day, and we're trying to increase per week. So if we start by this, she's increasing the percent of calories by 5% a day. We don't have a starting amount. We don't have an equation. So it's just going to be, excuse me, 1 plus 0.05 to get the base 1.05. So here the base is 1.05 to D for days. Now, I want to convert this into calories burned per week. So 1.05 times 7, or raised to 7D. We're going from days to week, so we're increasing the time span. That's why we're using multiplication. So taking this one step further, the base is going to be 1.05 to the 7th to the D. But if we want to convert to weeks now, instead of using D, we're going to use W. And then in our calculators, if we take that 1.05 to the 7th power, so 1.407, just to grab a few of the decimals here. So 1.407 ... to the W. Okay, it says by what percent is she trying to increase per week? So if we take and subtract 1 and then multiply that answer by 100. So if we go back to the calculator and we take this answer minus 1 and then multiply it by 100 to get the percentage, we're talking 40.71%, and we want it to the nearest tenth. So this ends up equaling 40.7% increase in calories burned for the week. So in all of these examples, you're going to just be converting the exponent. You're either going to be using multiplication if you're going from a small time interval to a longer, or division if you're going from a long time interval to a smaller.